Hello and welcome to another Froala Popups tutorial. Before we looked at custom colors for Froala, now we will look at custom emoticons. So the same as before, Froala offers a custom emoticons plugins using emoticons.min.js, and we have two options for it, the step and the set. The step is the number of emoticons displayed on a line. And then the other is the set, which is the set of emoticons grouped together. So I have this copied into my VS Code. And then when you run this to a live server, you can actually, you can't see it right now, but you need to enable it by including the JS plugins emoticons.min.js. So when you go back to the Froala editor, you can see emoticons here. So for example, if you click on emoticons, you see that the smiley and animals. So this smiley here is because of this emoticon set. And because of this one, when you add name, smileys, and people, when you hover over it, you see smileys and people. And you can see all the emojis that we have added here. So what is this code? This code is the Unicode for emojis. So for example, 1F600 is the grinning face. So it's the one that looks like the grinning face, this one. But so for example, you want a robot, and I actually searched this already. It's 1F916. And then let's just copy here for demonstration's sake, and then lowercase this to make it work. It's going to show a robot, but it still says grinning face. Well, it's actually grinning, but yeah, we can change it here. Grinning robot face. Save it, go back to the editor, and you can see the tooltip now is grinning robot face. And this one is the other set, which is animals and nature, which you can also see here. When you set the ID to nature, and then the name, animals and nature, and what emoticon should be showing here, which is the monkey. And the Unicode for the monkey face is 1F434, 1F435, which is here. But you can make this anything. So if, for example, you want to make this the dog, you can make it the dog. And yeah, for example, if you want to add this, you can see it here that the dog is added. And if you want to add the robot, it's added there. So I hope this custom emoticon will make your Froala editor even more fun and elegant to look at. And see you in the next one.